Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Immy and I absolutely love everything related to beauty and DIYs. Today I am sharing a very easy trick that you can do every single morning for tight, glowing, young looking skin, and it is so cheap. It is under $1 and you can actually make it in bulk. You can make it in different sizes and I highly recommend that you try it. So what we're going to do is, first of all, I would recommend that you get an old lipstick and empty it out if you want to use a lipstick container. If you want to use a different mold, go ahead and do that. What we need is a good green tea mixture. So I am using mint green tea because personally my skin loves mint and it feels really cold and nice and refreshed every time I use mint on my skin. So what I'm using is Moroccan mint tea, and you can absolutely use rose water, you can use chamomile tea, you can even add lavender to this mixture. And we want to brew some tea in a mug and wait till it gets cool. What we're going to be doing is filling our lipstick container with the green tea, and we are going to freeze this mixture. So skin icing is currently my favorite thing to do in the morning, and I try not to use a lot of products in the morning. I do this before I apply sunscreen or any other products, and the ice actually helps eliminate puffiness, especially around the eyes. This also reduces oiliness and eases acne. Another thing I find it to do is really soothe sunburn if you've got any. If you've got inflammation even related to acne, I feel like after you ice it, especially with green tea mixture, it looks so much calmer and it looks nicer and tighter. Another thing skin icing promotes is a healthy glow on your face. So you can basically do this every single morning. It is really similar to dunking your face in a bowl of icy water, but I feel like it's cleaner like this, and it's really nice to just do it quickly and then put it back. The lipstick shape is the perfect size for underneath my eyes and also around my face, so that is why I do it in an old lipstick mold. You can definitely use a different mold if you want to. Definitely try this recipe out with different green teas and let me know which ones you have tried and what you would recommend me to try. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick tip. Don't forget to like my video. Bye guys.